Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Wave Apps account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you set up Wave Apps automatic invoice reminders? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to set up automatic reminders for your invoices in Wave Apps anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. Sometimes we have clients or customers that say they never received the bill or they forgot. And if you're running an online business, you're too busy to go through every single customer and manually invoice reminders. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process to set up automatic reminders in your Wave Apps. It's all handled here in your dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Wave Apps and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to set up automatic invoice reminders, you're going to go ahead and click on your company name here on the top right. Once you do that, you're going to see a drop-down menu and you want to click here, Business Settings. Okay, once you click there, you're going to see this settings menu here to the left. And in order to set up automatic invoice reminders, you want to click here, Invoices and Estimates. Okay, so here's where you can go ahead and set up the template. But to set up the automatic reminders, scroll to the bottom and you're going to see this section here, Reminder Settings. So with Wave Apps, you can have these automatically go out based off of these particular dates. So this line right here is going to be invoice reminders to your customers that are emailed out automatically after the due date. So if they're late, basically. Now, what I'll normally do is I'll go ahead and choose some of these as well. So this is reminders before the due date. So this is to help prevent them from being late. So normally what I'll do is I'll go ahead and do 7 days before the due date. And then here, I'll go ahead and leave it on due date and then 7 days after and then 14 days after. But that's really up to you. You know your customers better than I do. If you're going to annoy the heck out of them, then maybe you want to go ahead and lighten this up a little bit. Or maybe if you have customers that are constantly late, you want to go ahead and set all of these up. So once you've made the changes and you have those invoice reminders set up, you want to go ahead and click on Save All Changes. Okay, and then the page refreshes, settings updated. So now anytime these dates match up with any of my invoices, those customers are going to get an email reminder saying that their payment is either due or past due. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to set up automatic invoice reminders in your Wave Apps, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.